Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to store radish greens. Let's get to it. So you're probably wondering, why would I store radish greens? Why, right? Well, here's the thing. You can actually eat the greens that are attached to radishes. These things, you don't have to throw them away. You actually can eat them. It's super simple. So I have a video on how to store radishes, which you end up removing the greens from, but don't toss them. Just take those greens after you cut them off the radishes and just put them in a plastic bag, and you can store them in the crisper drawer for 2 to 3 days. Now these things are gonna go fast because, as you probably remember from science class, the roots of a plant are what kind of provide those nutrients and water to the greens of a plant. So once the actual radishes are detached, these aren't gonna last very long or stay fresh for very long. But they're great in salads, they're great in green smoothies, they're chopped up in soups, like you can put them in omelets. There's so many things you actually can do with them. I love making a pesto with them. So just go ahead and put them in a plastic bag. Get all those little leaves in there. So once they're in the Ziploc bag, you just want to remove as much air as possible. Put it in the crisper drawer and then use them quickly. Like I said, they only last a couple days, but they really are delicious. Try the pesto, you will love it. I have a recipe on my channel for roasted radishes with a radish green pesto that's just simply lovely. It's a wonderful side dish. Eat them, don't toss them out. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to know about or see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.